I definitely think this is the future of vacuuming. I mean, you wouldn't hand wash your clothes with a big stick these days, would you? So with all my free time, I can now do a whole lot of stuff. I can cook in my pizza oven. Saturday mornings, I go to Wakaama. I've just got all the time in the world. The robot vacuum handles our carpet, which I was a bit nervous about at the start. It's quite a thick carpet made from plastic, so it definitely handles that. The robot vacuum is so easy to use. In fact, one time we were out and I said to my husband, I forgot to vacuum. And then I just picked up my phone and I said, hey Google, start cleaning. I would recommend this robot vacuum to every single person I know. I don't think I could ever go back to manually pushing a hoover around the floor. It's amazing. It's like you never ever have to worry that your house is messy.